Our goal is to keep our DNA as stable as possible. Now, when the telomeres reduce, we see a lot of onset of diseases. I'm going to talk about some of the large killing ones. One of them is cardiovascular disease, one of them is diabetes, and then there's a big C word. When telomeres become too short, the cells, like I mentioned before, enter a state of senescence. This can reduce the functioning of the tissue and accelerate the aging process on steroids. Now that you know what telomeres are, what is the problem, let's look at some of the strategies on how we can reduce this telomere short. So I mentioned diet, correct, is the most easiest one. Have a diet which is full of antioxidants. Have a diet which can take care of all of the oxidative stress, inflammation. Some of the things that you can have are berries, some nuts, some leafy grains. These are excellent choices. In one of the studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, they found out that people who consume more fruits and vegetables had longer telomeres, maybe because they are not putting the other crap into their body. Then is probably one of the most neglected topic on the planet, stress management. Chronic stress can accelerate telomere shortening. And when you have practices like meditation, mindfulness, yoga, all of these can reduce your stress levels. There have been multiple studies on people who meditate quite a lot that they have longer telomeres. So rest is really important, and we cannot complete the conversation of rest by addressing sleep. Quality sleep is one of the most essential things that you can have for your health. It's the base of the pyramid. Aim for quality sleep. Aim for sleep between 6.5 to 8 hours. Monitor your sleep with a Whoop band, an Oura ring, an Apple Watch, whatever it takes. The next one is resveratrol. Resveratrol is that popular polyphenol that is found in certain berries, red wine, and is also known for its antioxidant properties. It also activates the longevity genes and proteins in our body called sirtuins, and not directly but indirectly can help with telomeres maintenance. So that's something that you should get.